Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, umacingo omkhulu, the biggest cingers. Wabona ukuthi you know what, this is my time to shine. My ones. Asho aku Ishmael Smart nokushula to say hey girl. Mina I'm Wendy Sidibeng. Uthi uma Ishmael yena Ishmael Jehovah's Witness cela ungiphumele, I don't need anything. So hayi sengihamba as a Jehovah's Witness. Good luck with fighting Bishop Hlophe. Ha, Nokuthula, what is Hlophe? Wait, what? That's where I want you. Hey, Maruna Smada me. Nkosi yami. Nkosi yami, waziwavelela uBishop. Yazi waziwavelela uBishop. These two together. Bathi hayi basho bamsiphele itiye to say hey uMaruna. Uthi uWendy uMaruna is the one who put those tiles lapha kwa Bishop Hlophe. Uthi Nokuthula yeah I saw them. Yo lama tiles lawa ngathi kusezulwini hey that's my daughter's money. That's my daughter's money. Uma bonko uthi yena to the malumes, I'm grateful. Thanks very much. Thanks very much. Ukuthi njena you came guys quick fast and the hurry to do this. Yabona utshela ubonke ukuthi yo hayi uyazi uyadlowa. Bathi bomalume sifuba sabonke ushayela moya we guys ngoba sidlisa Maruna siphumile. Hayi bo uFelicia uthi wazi wadlowa yazi mfana wami. Utheni ubonke wayi ngoba lazisile. Uthi makhe ngiyabona ukuthi hayi bukela. Ngithomshayela Nkosi yami. Sanibona. Sanibonani. What if ubonke uMaruna akamdlisi? Well guys, what if uMaruna zange nje even a single day wamdlisa ubonke? And bamyenga manje ukuthi uyaglow because if uMaruna akamdlisi obviously nothing's gonna come out, right? There's no need for him to glow. Shows glow is ukuthi njena he was dirty inside and a lot of things are coming out. Lokuhambela nokungcola and the things that we eat and drink and whatnot. Kodwa nje bathi uyaglowa ubonke. But I'm asking myself, what if uMaruna didn't do anything to ubonke? That is medicinal. Bathini ikhathakhatha. And now ubaba omncane bayahamba bathi bona hayi uzoba right umfana. Uzoba right isifuba sakhe shayela umoya, everything is gonna be okay. Also Felicia niyazi ukuthi mina I don't believe in these things, right? I'm just glad that you guys came and helped out and I just hope that it worked. But ayisebenzile. To them ubonke doesn't love uMaruna. He's doing all these things because udlisiwe. And since manje andlisile bona bonke would do anything le bona bayifunako that doesn't have to involve uMaruna. Yes, that's the reason why uthi hayi bomncane mina sengamzonda uMaruna vele ngimzonda qobo. I was just like trying to save his skin. Kodwa what if this love that labantu laba they're talking about uthi sidliso is the love that comes from inside the heart? Ubonke genuinely loves uMaruna nje. What if hayi bo wind athi kunokuthula uBishop has brainwashed their children cause bona labantwana laba banabo bobabe bayende bodwana. Now Bishop is coming here to claim to be the spiritual father. When did you do the deed with uBishop Hlophe? Ushumayelo wami kanaba ukuthi kanjani manje nyalo umuntu azovela athi ubaba. Bishop Hlophe needs to be addressed and never serious. They are very, very serious ukuthi Bishop Hlophe needs to be addressed. I feel like at this point, abazali who are denying their responsibility and blaming everything to someone else instead of them taking over and mending my relationship with their kids. Wendy left uMaruna le eKatlehong and went to the burbs to live with Mpumi because Mpumi now has money. But she's fighting Mapetlis Amaruna kanjani. Okay, right, I said they win whatever it is that they're trying to do. Bishop Funana back to the books assessment to check what Maruna keep money in tight and give them back their money. Would that give them peace? Would that satisfy their hearts? uNobunhle is like concerned ngo-Ishmael ukuthi hey guys, good lord, kodwa nasho ukuthi ngiyiyekele le ndaba kabani kaNokuthula. I went and dig manje uNokuthula is here causing trouble left right center. Nizoyithini kodwa-ke, nizoyithini? Uthi Ishmael, this is not your fault. Uthi yazi mina I thought I was helping so that nawe utoba nefamily utokwati ukuthi where you coming from, but hey, nangu phela uNokuthula. UNokuthula busy is causing trouble left right center, and uNokuthula busy shame. UNokuthula is very very busy, and I don't know what's the motive with up. I don't know why is it hard for UNokuthula to just have a conversation with Ishmael, like have a conversation with Ishmael as a parent and ask for forgiveness, because what she did as a mother, nayo something else. When she decided to leave Ishmael lapha and it has been Aliswane for a man, where is that man now? Now she's busy saying that Ishmael is my son. Kanjani? When? Where were you when Ishmael was turning 6 years old? You were nowhere to be found. My journalists all over Bishop's house. Kahle they don't respect Bishop to the point whereby they even go to journalists to take them to Bishop's gate so that people can have his address. Kanjani mfethu? Uwendi uyayithanda idrama guys. Uwendi loves idrama more than idrama loves Uwendi. And manje uthi uNokuthula esayidini lakhe, hayi like ngiyabathanda bomake that stand with me. They understand on 9 months. Nokuthula they understand on 9 months. Umntwana afundle la. Uwendi adding 42 hours ka-labor. Me basing uMaruna. Now someone comes and it's uMaruna's money. In the name of Jesus. Bishop, being a bishop that he is, brainwashing our kids. Our kids are like zombies now. They don't want you to come and stay with us. They don't want to have conversations with us, all that and that and that. But basatoyitoyela umfundisi vele shouldn't like get out of the car. Ishmael nosifisa ubafika lapha. Ishmael uthi, hey guys, like honestly speaking, this has nothing to do with anyone. I bought that car for Bishop out of the goodness of my heart. I bought that car for Bishop because he helped me. I bought that car for Bishop because I wanted to. And no one is going to take that car away from him. Oh, Unokuthula, uyambona, but they've been turning into zombies. They've been turning into zombies. But also when the Ishmael's mother is eating papa and cabbage, Ishmael is buying cars for people. Hayi bo. Umaruna's aunt is concerned about her to say, when I saw you gonna stay here all alone, come and live with me. Umaruna's, no, I need my space, I need my time, I need to think a whole lot of things. I need to dig down, yabon, and think. And I'm not worried because now at some point I was a superstar and I had the chance to leave them here and live in the burbs. So now I was not in Jena a guest lapana. So I understand. I'm cool with everything that is happening. Because you shouldn't be staying alone now. People will think that njengoba you're no longer doing the things that you were doing, say ifemini yakhe ikulahlile kanjani kanjani. Umaruna is like, you're right mina. You're right where I am, kuzolunga. When the time is right, kuzohamba kakuhle. Ndibonke naye showed up to say, hey, Umaruna umangele uthi hawu. So le ghost vele went and went and went. uGabriel went straight home. Makasuka la wasunayamanga wena siya uGabriel went straight home. Just bhakela kwabasibhakela akamtshela ukuthi hey, these people they gave me something to something me in the stomach yabo, bathi ngikhiphe enhlizweni. Bathi I should hate you. Akamtsheli kuMaruna lo uBonko. Uthi uBonko yena uMaruna should promise him that she's not gonna put herself in a compromising situation, and uBonko is gonna handle everything, and uzomsusa uGabriel out of Maruna's life forever. Just like that. And uBonko left. Umaruna wanted to understand. So okay, so wait, what? uBonko left. uBonko left Umaruna with questions because Umaruna is confused now. Because okay, U-R of uGabriel kanjani forever cause umuntu lona ngina-3 years naye. Kuyoyenza lokhu afuna kona ngami njengoba asho nje egameni lakhe lokuthi I'm not gonna go to a studio, I'm not gonna record anything. Yebo. I'm just gonna be like uMaruna lo bamsayine Revolutions record for the next 3 years kodwa no album no nothing. Kanti wonke uphezu kwe-plan went straight to Gabriel to say, you know what? I see, I saw, I understand. I need uMaruna out of the contract Revolutions record. Gabriel was like, oh, okay. Ngakumbuza, oh, awusebenzi. Uwi. Manje ke lo, what do you want us to do? Mfuna mahhala uMaruna. Or else this is going to bleed you dry, mfana. Because uMaruna is my investment. Bonke is like, name your price. Hey, uGabriel wena vele ngasho kudala ukuthi uloyiwe wena. Udlisiwe. Hayibo kanjani because ubonko last week they were keeping the Zlisos. Baba Bomncane they worked very hard to take out the Zlisos. Now Gabriel keeps on saying continues to say udlisiwe. Kanjani I'm keeping. Kanjani uFelicia ambona Chloe. Kanjani ubaba omncane bathi isifuba sabo nkosi ishayela moya and uGabriel still says udlisiwe wena. Hayi bo.